The current fear and greed index stands at 74, indicating strong investor optimism. This suggests that the market is in a bullish phase, which could lead to short-term price rallies. However, excessive greed may also signal overheating, making a correction possible soon. Traders should remain cautious and watch for signs of a reversal, as extreme greed often precedes market pullbacks. In the medium term, this sentiment could sustain upward momentum, but the risks of a sudden dip increase if greed quickly turns to fear. DeFiTuna's Tuna token is set to be listed on Bybit, a major cryptocurrency exchange. This listing can boost liquidity and trading volume, potentially attracting new investors. In the short term, we might see price gains as traders speculate on increased visibility. Longer term, if DeFiTuna delivers on its project promises, it could strengthen its ecosystem, positively impacting its value and confidence among the community. Overall, this listing emerges as a bullish catalyst for Tuna. Marathon Digital reported a 64% revenue increase in the second quarter, driven by aggressive Bitcoin buying and a rally in Bitcoin prices. The company's profit surged more than 800%, signaling strong institutional confidence in crypto mining. This impressive performance supports a bullish outlook for Bitcoin, encouraging miners and investors alike. Short-term, we might see Bitcoin's price rally further as mining firms expand their operations. Long-term, it points to sustained institutional interest, reinforcing the crypto bull market. Genius Group's completion of its Entrepreneur Resorts acquisition signals diversification and growth in their portfolio. While it is not directly related to cryptocurrency, such corporate moves can influence investor sentiment toward innovative business models, including potential blockchain integrations. In the short term, positive market sentiment could lift related assets. However, the impact on crypto markets remains moderate. Over time, this expansion could create new synergies and opportunities for blockchain applications in the hospitality sector. Ripple's chief technology officer defends the low transaction volume on XRPL, stating that many banks settle transactions off-chain for efficiency. While this helps maintain Ripple's credibility with enterprises, it also raises questions about transparency among community members. In the short term, this news may cause a slight decline in confidence in XRPL. However, in the long term, off-chain settling could remain beneficial for institutional adoption. The impact on XRP will depend on how regulators view these off-chain activities. Stablecoins added $4 billion in July, signaling increased investor preference for stable assets amid crypto market uncertainty. Meanwhile, Bitcoin exchange reserves fell below 15%, suggesting more coins are being held off exchange, which may reduce sell pressure. In the short term, this shift is bullish, as it indicates accumulation. Over the long term, it could support a sustained rally, provided stablecoin growth continues and exchanges see less Bitcoin supply available for sale. Today's crypto scene is buzzing with updates across Bitcoin, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Market participants are closely watching recent developments, including regulatory news and technological upgrades. While there is no specific catalyst, this summary helps traders stay informed and adapt quickly. Overall, staying updated can lead to smarter decisions, especially in a volatile environment, emphasizing the importance of sector-wide awareness for long-term gains. Japan's proposed crypto tax reform aims to simplify digital asset taxation, potentially making Japan a more appealing environment for crypto investors. If it is passed, it could boost market activity and trading volumes in the region, attracting new entrants. Short-term, optimistic investors might see this as favorable and respond by increasing prices. In the medium to long term, clearer tax rules could foster institutional involvement and innovation in Japan's crypto sector, supporting global growth. 21 Capital plans to significantly increase its Bitcoin holdings to over 43,500 BTC, valued at around $5.15 billion. This aggressive accumulation reflects confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value and could positively impact market sentiment. In the short term, such large buying activity might push Bitcoin's price higher. Over time, increased institutional holdings like this can lend stability and credibility to Bitcoin as a store of value, supporting a bullish outlook. Switzerland is in early talks with defense companies to fund a $250 million semiconductor plant, signaling a strategic move toward defense innovation. While not directly related to crypto, this development indicates increased technological investment and strategic alliances. The broader impact may include enhanced supply chain confidence and technological growth, indirectly supporting crypto assets tied to tech ecosystems in the long term. Palo Alto Networks announced a massive $25 billion deal to acquire CyberArk, strengthening cybersecurity infrastructure. For cryptocurrency markets, this underscores the importance of security as digital assets grow. Increased focus on cybersecurity can boost investor confidence and adoption of blockchain solutions. In the medium term, it supports a safer environment for cryptocurrency transactions and platforms. This is bullish for the sector. Bitcoin's price has edged lower as traders remain cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates. Interestingly, this slight dip might be short-lived if the Federal Reserve signals easing or rate cuts, potentially boosting markets later. For now, risk-off sentiment is prevalent, but positive Federal Reserve cues could trigger a recovery. Investors should watch Federal Reserve remarks closely, as they will influence crypto's short-term trend and sentiment. Canaan, a major Bitcoin miner, now holds over 1,484 Bitcoins. This signals confidence in future price stability and growth. This move can reduce market supply pressure and potentially support prices. In the short term, this is bullish because miners are holding onto their assets. Over the medium term, increased institutional and miner reserves can contribute to market resilience and upward momentum.